Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much to the sponsors. I really appreciate your contribution. It is for you that I'm doing these films, these short videos. It is your support that makes it worthwhile. So thank you very much. Today we will talk about a group of books that of course has already been seen on the sister channel up there, except for a new contribution. And this new contribution is volume 3 of David Ancero's series on the SLOOPS, the SWAN class of SLOOPS. Until now I had only the first 3 of the books. And this one I just recently got because initially I bought the SLOOPS, the books not so much because I intended to ever build a model of the Atalanta class, much as I like the look of that little sloop, but because this being David Ancero, the drawings are magnificent. It follows the construction of a Rio ship. And quite frankly, many of his drawings are excellent source to show students what the different bits and pieces of a sloop of war, a small warship of this period, looked like. And from that point of view, it is quite useful for teaching maritime archaeology. So that's why I bought the books, and because I have the deepest respect and liking for David Ancero himself. Because of this, I had never bought this book before. The third volume contains the photographs that go, essentially follow the arrangement of the other 3 volumes of the instructions that David gives, but in this book all these instructions are illustrated with photographs of the model that Dr. Herbert built as David's student. And previous to this time, this did not really sound like something that I needed. But as Olia is building one such ship, the Pegasus, even though this is merely a kit, and I rather like it, despite being a kit, I do like it. It is a rather pretty model. The whole class is elegant, and with the risk of getting off on a tangent here, I have to say that I have always found the beauty of the 18th century warship to reach its apogee around the time of the American Revolutionary War or the rebellion of the colonies, depends on which side of the channel you sit. They still have grace, they still have artistic beauty to them. Something that gradually, of course, is lost during the long-lasting Napoleonic, French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. There more and more utility takes precedence over beauty, partially because of the rapid expansion, partially because of the need to lower costs and the lack of time to embellish, and partially because of just changing in tastes. So that's why I really like this period much more than I do, let's say, the early 19th century, towards the end of the Age of Sail. And yes, of course, to me, the biggest love of my life will always remain the 17th century warships, but so few models do I see of them, or at least so few Rio models of Rio ship, that it is almost sad. Returning to this, as Olia was building this, and as she has likely another of the class, this time scratch build, coming her way, that is why I obtained this book. And it is a beautiful book with photographs that really go together with the other volumes, illustrating step by step the process of construction of the model. And the final reason, of course, is that you know how obsessiveness got the better of me. And I feel if I have volumes 1, 2, and 4, it just itches my eye. It is like pouring salt into my wounds. I absolutely had to have the third volume also. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I finally know what addicts feel like. Just my addiction happens to be books. And with this, I wish you a most wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, commenting. Again, I will repeat myself. I promise to start answering comments and to look more carefully once the manuscript of this book is out of my hands. Perhaps at one stage in the near future, I do need to spend some time and tell you in more details about the book, especially since scratch building shipmodelers might find it interesting once it comes out. Because by then I may be dead, but thank you so much, and I wish you a most wonderful rest of your day.